Hello everyone, Akash Verma this side from Naipur Mohali, and welcome to your Pharmaminds platform where we teach for GPAT, Naipur, and other pharma entrances. And our main goal is to target rank 1. So, there's a very good news that has come for all the students who have been waiting for GPAT 2023 or 2024 stipend. So, many of the students got the stipend, but many of them did not. Now, they have been waiting, and it has been a dry season because the stipend is not there. But eventually, uh, news has come on 21st of January 2025, that is yesterday only. And according to it, it's a very good news. So you should be happy. And the stipend will be coming because PCI, I know they are dealing the things, but eventually they're trying their best to give the stipend also. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how the things are right now, and secondly, we are also trying to get a video where we'll be telling you step by step how to register for the stipend. Okay, so two videos will be there. This is the first video where I'll be reading the notification for you. So this is basically a notification that has come from PCI to all the PCI approved M-Pharm institutions and qualified GPAT candidates. Okay, so no interest to non-GPAT, only GPAT candidates are of interest here. So basically, this is a link which they have given for scholarship portal, and wait, I'll just guide you on this link. If you click on this link, okay, this is a PDF, you can't click. So what I'll do, I'll paste this link in our comment box or our description box. So you can simply click on it and you can simply register yourself. Okay, so wait, I'll show you. After clicking the link, it will reach here. Okay, so you are the scholar here, and then you have to first you have to register yourself. So registration is the most important part, but I'll show you. New scholar registration. After doing the registration, you have to select the GPAT year 2023 or 24, roll number, date of birth, username, captcha code. After you have finished the registration, then you can simply log in. What is the step-by-step guide? We'll try to make a video on this part also, but they've already provided a manual for this, PCI. So you can go through this module, the manual, and we'll be providing this manual link also in comment box and description box. So you can simply download from there and you can help accordingly. And don't forget to reach out to us because the most amazing thing about Pharmaminds are two. First, you get all the teachers, GPAT and Naipur qualified because I myself is from Naipur Mohali. So if you want to study from someone who are they self qualified enough, then you are at the right place. Secondly, if you want to study at a very affordable price, because budget is also something which concerns the students, then also we'll be helping you out. Thank you so much. Okay, so this is the notification, and it's a good news. And also they provided a user manual for institute also, because see, all the institutes who are registered with who PCI, they can only provide the stipend. If you are studying from a college who's not registered to PCI, you won't get the stipend. So it's also the institute responsibility to get themselves registered. Okay, so make sure that you are registered and your college is registered at the same time. Otherwise, the stipend won't come to you. Okay. For any queries, you can reach on their phone number, email ID. Everything is given here. So if they pick up the call, if they reply to your email ID, then it's great. Otherwise, okay, this is the thing that is right now. Okay. So that's it. And in the next video, we'll try to cover the step-by-step login, but you can do also yourself. This is the manual. I'll be uploading the link on the comment box. Thank you so much. And all the students who are preparing for GPAT 2025, 26, or 27. And don't forget to reach out to us because the most amazing thing about Pharmaminds are two. First, you get all the teachers, GPAT and Naipur qualified because I myself is from Naipur Mohali. So if you want to study from someone who are they self qualified enough, then you are at the right place. Secondly, if you want to study at a very affordable price, because budget is also something which concerns the students, then also we'll be helping you out. Thank you so much.